Working on my 1985 Toyota Land Cruiser here. Gonna do the brakes. I've got this far. I realized that I need to replace all the seals back here, the hub seals. You can see I had a wheel seal leaking right there. Got all this mess. So I'm done with this side of this brake. I put on the new brake disc. That's the old hub, obviously. So I'll show you guys how it's done. I put a new seal, new bearing. You can see the new disc. So that's the outer bearing. That's the inner bearing. I got new calipers. I loaded the brakes in there. So here's the second one I'm about to replace. Put in, as you can see, this is completely ruined. So I got a new seal, new bearing. All right, let me show you guys how to replace a disc brake on this 85 Land Cruiser.